Start. I am directed to say that the provisions contained in sub-rules 2 and 4 of Rule 7.3 of Punjab CSR Volume 1 Part 1 lay down inter alia that when a government employee who was dismissed, removed or suspended from service is reinstated after he has been fully exonerated, or in the case of suspension, after it has been held that the suspension was wholly unjustified, the government employee shall be given full pay and allowances to which he would have been entitled had he not been dismissed, removed, to suspended from service, as the case may be, and that the period of absence from duty shall be treated as period spent on duty for all purposes. Stop. The question regarding the admissibility of pay and allowances to such reinstated government employees as secured employment during any period between dismissal, removal, discharge, or termination of service and reinstatement has been under the consideration of the government, and it has been decided that the pay and allowances admissible to them for the period prior to their reinstatement shall be reduced by the emoluments earned by them during such employment if the pay and allowances exceed such emoluments. Stop. If the pay and allowances admissible to them are equal to or less than the emoluments earned by them, no amount shall be paid to them. Stop. Over.